this motherfucker look like, low-key? Look!
Hello there.
Attention crew. The Seven have intercepted communications from Geno intended for Dr. Sloan. We believe...
Boring.
Crew to battle stations.
Autobots, roll out!
Weapon systems hot. Now clear the path for those rocks.
Oh shit.
I'm taking her down. Hit the collider.
Oh shit, not good.
Well, that fucked up.
You fucked up, not
You
that.
fucked up. You 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 fucked up.
Perfect strike. We're letting too many through.
Paradigm, come in. Do you copy?
Copy. Ugh, we're down. All systems damaged. We're not going anywhere without repairs.
Don't worry, I know a guy. It's your time to shine, buddy.
Help is on the way! Help is on the way!
It's worth a shot. Turn power to emergency I can't believe this is working. Really for the win. We are back online. Blade strike.
Oh, DD, oh, what it is? Oh, DD, what it is?
Eject!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby!
Can you hear me?
A screamer!
Anybody hurt? Come on your feet, let's go. I don't think Sloane's too happy we're here.
I see, Joe.
And she has a tank, so we gotta go. Stay down and follow me.
Collider, everything ends.
The 0 point shifting realities. Keep your distance. Unless you want to go wherever that is.
Let's move.